In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 ways that you can make money without spending a cent, a nickel, a dollar out of your own pocket. In this video, I'm going to show you the different methods that I use and that other people use that make as little as $10 per day or as high as $500 or $1,000 per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which method is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of different ways that you can start making money online in different formats, and you don't have to spend any money to start. Now, what I recommend that you do is eventually reinvest in your business. So once you start making some money, go ahead and reinvest so that you can go further, faster, farther. All right, so #1 and probably the easiest and quickest way is simply with social media. Now, within social media, there are tons of options. For example, if you look at my screen here, I'm in Facebook, and within Facebook, there are a bunch of options. One of the things that you can do is start a Facebook group. You can start a Facebook group in literally anything and start making money in a few different ways. For example, if I just type here YouTube like this, we hit enter, and we come down to groups just like this. If we can find groups right there, click on groups, and you can see there are hundreds of thousands of people that want to grow their YouTube channel. Now, when you think about it, there's a number of ways that you can make money when it comes to YouTube and showing people and helping people with YouTube. You can maybe sell them a course that you've created or that someone else has created and that you're promoting it for them. We'll talk about that in just a moment. You can sell them different guides and trainings and tips and tricks. And within YouTube, the cool thing is there's different things that you can sell them. For example, some people want to join YouTube and become a YouTuber because they want to be famous. Some people want to join YouTube and become a YouTuber because they want to make six figures and they want to quit their day job. When you can figure out what people exactly want, then you can sell them whatever it is that they're interested in. You can either create it yourself or have someone create it for you, or you can promote someone else's product. Again, we'll talk about that in just a moment, but you can use YouTube. Another way that you can make money is simply with TikTok. If we come over to TikTok, right now you're looking at a TikTok for dogs. There are tons of these videos out here, and you can make money in a variety of different ways. One way is you can get paid directly by TikTok. That's not going to give you a lot of money. You're going to make more money by, again, either creating your own product. It can be a digital product or a physical product, or you can actually sell other people's products as an affiliate, which again, we'll talk about towards the end of this video. But you can see social media provides a ton of different opportunities. And if you don't want to be on camera, you don't want to show your face, you can use something like Pinterest. And once again, within Pinterest, there are tons of opportunities for you to make money. You just need to go out and pick a niche or pick an area where you want to create content. Maybe you're interested in fashion. Maybe you're interested in woodworking or teaching people how to learn a new skill. You can come to Pinterest, find a niche, carve out a niche for yourself, and make money. For example, if we come here and we just type in YouTube just like this, YouTube like this. Let's see, let's try this again. All right, so we did YouTube like this, hit enter, and we're going to change this to all pins. And you're going to see that there are tons of people out here that are teaching different tips, tricks, and tactics to grow on YouTube. You can see that all of these lead to either a blog post or a YouTube channel or a product or service that they're selling, and you can do this exact same thing. And the cool thing is you don't need any money up front. You can create you can create Pinterest pins on Canva for free. You can create images for your Facebook group for free. You don't need to spend any money out of pocket. For example, when we come to Canva like this, we can type in Pinterest pin, and they come up with a bunch of free templates that you can use. You can also use, so we just typed in Pinterest like this. They're going to have a bunch of templates we can use. You can also use free services like Pexels to find images that are congruent or related to whatever it is that you're talking about. So we go to Pexels like this, and let's see, we're going to click on this plus sign. Now we have this basic template. We can come back over here and type in something like YouTube like this, and we can download any one of these. So we could download this, right? This actually works out perfectly. We could download this, and then we could upload it right into our Canva canvas. Let's see if we can grab this real quick, drag this over just like this, and then we can put some text over the top of it and say 5 ways to grow on YouTube. And then when people click the link, they're going to go to either a product that we're selling or promoting, or even our own YouTube channel. So as you can see here, this actually works out pretty nice. It's easy, and it's actually free. It doesn't require you any money, but you can use anything from Instagram to Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook groups. There's just a ton of opportunities out there where you can make money. Another way that you can make money, and it won't require you to spend a dime, is simply creating and selling digital products. Now, a digital product is literally anything that can be delivered online automatically. You can create and sell digital products through a website like Etsy. So if we go to Etsy.com and we type in something like SVG like this, or we can type in digital planner. Let's see here. We'll type in SVG like this, and you're going to see there are tons of people that want these digital planners. Now, these digital planners go from anywhere between 99 cents and $5. You can make these, again, for free over on Canva. You can also type in planner. Type in planner printable just like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to see all of the different planners that are out there. For example, a wedding planner. Now we can come back over to Canva and we can type in wedding planner. Now with Canva, you cannot just download their templates and then sell them. That's against the terms and services or terms and conditions. What you will need to do is you will need to make some changes. For example, we can find this free one here and we can make some changes, change the colors, change the text, make it your own, and then put it over here on Etsy and sell it that way. If you don't want to use Etsy, you can sell it through other online platforms, but Etsy is probably the easiest and most basic way to go, but you can do it within a couple days. What you can do is just go through each letter of the alphabet and figure out exactly what people want to know. For example, we can type in printable like this. For some reason, there we go. So we type in printable, and then we can go through each letter of the alphabet. So we hit the space bar and we type in Q like this. And as you can see, printable quotes, printable all sorts of stuff that you can create and then upload it right into Etsy. Look at this. Printable wall art set of 2, printable weekly planner. Just again, go through each letter of the alphabet and you can find all sorts of ideas that you can create yourself on Etsy or any online photo or image editor 100% for free. So after digital products, one of the most common ways is to sell your old stuff. You can use a website like ebay.com and you can list all sorts of stuff on here and make some money. Now, this isn't going to bring you in a ton of money, but this can actually start giving you some money that you can reinvest in maybe to a different business, or maybe you can go find other stuff at the thrift store and resell it here. But what you're going to do is you're just going to type in whatever product that you have. Maybe you have an iPhone 11. That's a good one like this. And then you can get an idea of how much you can make by selling an iPhone 11. But you can see this is an opportunity. You can also do the same thing on Facebook Marketplace as well. Once you start making some money from your business, you can buy products on Facebook Marketplace and then list them on eBay to make some additional money. Now, another way, and potentially my favorite way to make money, is simply with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is recommending or selling other people's products and services. And the way that it works is you are going to find a niche. You're going to find an area where people want help. They have a problem and you provide that solution. For example, over here on our Facebook page, all of these people want to grow on YouTube. So you can go out and find a course. You can use something like Digistore24. You can use ClickBank. There are tons of courses out there that will help people grow their YouTube channel. For example, we could go over to a website like Udemy. Udemy is an online learning platform, and we could type in YouTube, and we could be an affiliate for some of these courses. If we started a Facebook group, we could put a link to these courses in our Facebook group, and anytime someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you could make money. Now, you can also create your own course and sell it yourself directly through Facebook, but affiliate marketing is such a great opportunity. If we go back over to YouTube, think about all of the problems and solutions that come with YouTube. People need cameras and microphones and lighting. You can be an affiliate for Amazon and recommend the best microphone for beginners, or the best USB microphone, or the best camera, the best DSLR. People also need to use something like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. You can be an affiliate for TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Also, you should have your own website if you have a YouTube channel. You can recommend something like Bluehost. So right there, there's probably about 10 or 15 products that you could promote. Someone that wants to, as an affiliate for YouTube or starting a YouTube channel. So you can see there are tons of opportunities. Also, you can start a YouTube channel. Now, the cool thing with starting a YouTube channel is you don't have to A, you don't have to show your face. B, you don't have to spend any money. You can do screen share. There are tons of free platforms out there. If you have an Apple computer, you can use QuickTime to share your screen and record at the same time. But if you take a look here, all of these are different niches that you could get into. There's some people talking about YouTube automation. There's some people that are talking about other famous YouTubers that have gone downhill. There are people that are trying to teach you how to start a YouTube channel. All of these can make money if you are creating content based on what people want to know. And to figure out what people want to know is you could just come up to the search bar and type in how to start a YouTube channel like this. And all of these search results are things that people are actually typing in. So you can see here how to start a Roblox channel. If we hit enter, you can see there are tons of people that are asking this question. You create content to help them out, and you can make money once you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers and your content is safe for work. But what you can do is just do a little bit of keyword research, go through each letter of the alphabet, how to make a YouTube channel QR code, go through each letter of the alphabet, create the content, and you can start making money. Now, the cool thing is you'll make money once you have the 4,000 and 1,000. You'll make money with Google AdSense. You'll also make money potentially with affiliate marketing. If you create and sell your own digital products, you can make money with merchandise. So if you have a merch store, you can also sign partnerships and brand deals. Now, YouTube is probably one of my favorite ways to make money because it offers you an opportunity to have multiple income streams without having to send people all over the place. You can have multiple income streams with just YouTube. As I mentioned, the YouTube Partner Program, which is free to sign up. You can sign up for merch like with Teespring, which is free to sign up. You can do brand deals and sponsorships, again, free to sign up. And you can also be an affiliate for different products. So just to recap real quick, social media, digital products, sell your old stuff, affiliate marketing, YouTube, Google AdSense, and all of the different income streams that come with that. Now that you know 5 different ways that you can make money without spending any money of your own, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.